Now this one here is my original. This is my MacSport collapsible red wagon. Everybody's got to start out with a red wagon. 35 inches long, 20 inches wide, 23 inches high, weighs 22.48 pounds, max load 150. So as a starter, this is not bad, but as you notice, thin wheels. So you don't want to go to the sand with this one. You kind of want to stick to wood, concrete, piers, grass, dirt, things like that. Just don't want to take it on sand. But right now I use it for storage in the garage. There's over 100 pounds just letting it alone for my fishing gear, but it makes great storage. Now this one here is my baby that I've had for quite a few years. MacSport All Terrain Wagon with side table. So it does have a side table to it. Check this out. This was meant for fishermen. It had side table. I use that to cut my bait on. Look at the room. And that's a 30-quart cooler in there. 2 5-gallon buckets. I got a half-gallon of fresh water. I got all my sand spikes and everything else in that you can possibly imagine. And the space between the side of the cooler to the side of the wagon, that's where I'll put my rods and everything else. A lot of space in here. Now these tires are really wide. It may not handle fluffy sand, but basically compact sand, coarse sand, no problem. On the handles over here, I get those cheapy foam noodles for the swimming pool. I cut them up, tie strap them in, so this way you can just hold on to that. Now this is what they call the all-terrain wagon with side table. 37 inches long, 21 inches wide, 25 inches high. Weighs 22 pounds, max load 150 pounds. Okay, this is the newest one. This is the MacSport Extra Large Folding Wagon. 37 inches long, 21.7 inches wide, 25.6 inches high. It weighs 23 pounds, a little bit heavier than most by only a pound. But the max load, God, 300 pounds. That's because of the sturdier, thicker framing and those beautiful thick tires. 300 pounds. You could actually put adult in there, but it tells you instructions, do not put people and especially kids in it. Now this is the ultimate for your beach, picnic, any type of outdoor accessories. This is the one. So what are my thoughts on my original red wagon? That's good for outings like picnics, the beach, but only when there's no sand around, a nice hard ground. It's perfect. 150 pounds, it can handle almost anything. Solid wagon. The next one with the wide tires, the blue one, I've used that one for several years. Those wide tires really makes it easy to go to the sand. I'm still using that. It's all decked out to go fishing with, especially with the folding out cutting table on it. That's the one I love the most. This one here is the newest one. This one here, the tires are okay. They're not as wide as the other one, but the tires are still fine. But what makes it special is the 300-pound weight limit. So if you're going out for fish, you can put a lot of fish in there. If you're going to the beach, I'm sure those tires can handle average gravelly sand, but not the fine sand. The other one with the fatter tires can. So I would say this one here is pretty good. It's not an expensive model, and you can find them. They're out there for sale retail wise. So that's my report. Thank you.